Are you or someone you know looking for a local serviceman for help with a project? Or are you a local serviceman looking to make some extra money helping others? If so, there's an exciting new app that helps with just that. Introducing the Easy Fix app. The Easy Fix app allows users to quickly find a serviceman for small-time construction projects such as painting, tiling, plumbing, roofing, repair, mechanic, technical, electrical jobs, and so much more. Easy Fix will make sure that your serviceman or client hunting for the job will be seamless, fast, easy, and highly reliable. To use the app, users simply download and sign up for the app with their email address. From there, users can choose whether they're a customer or if they're offering their own services. Customers can post jobs with details on what their project needs are. Servicemen can set up their profile to list their available services, a payment method, and a list of past and current jobs. Once a job bid has been agreed upon by both parties, users can communicate through the app about further job details. Once the job has been completed, users can provide ratings and reviews of the servicemen and their work. EasyFix provides a platform for qualified and experienced servicemen into one place, so you can quickly and easily get your work done with just a snap of your finger. What are you waiting for? Download the EasyFix app today.